Hello, talking about Amazon KDP business, publishing books or Amazon. In 2025, we are in November. So, what's new? You can start looking at a good niche just looking in Amazon.com and looking in, for instance, USA market, so that you have to put here deliver to a cap show a code that is an American code like this one 10001, that's New York, so that you are now a customer looking for a book on American market. And you can, for instance, start writing first coloring book, for instance, and for toddlers 1-3. You can you can look for this Titans Quick View. We are on Chrome, and this is a free plugin. It's very important in which this plugin can discover this niche. For instance, niche score is 667. It's very nice. Considering that niche that are 50 or more, it's nice to publish because you have to find a niche not so big, in which there is no so competition, in which people are buying books, are looking for books, customers. And if this score is more than 50, means that it's a good niche to publish. You can see the result of this niche. It's 1000 and it's not so big. It's nice because if the niche is more than 3000, it's too big. 1000, it's really nice. And you can have a look under. You can have sponsored here, sponsor. All books are here in first page because they are paying Amazon. So with this with the advertisement, so they are here. But if you look under this one, it's not here because they are sponsored, but because of organic search. So, for instance, my first coloring book, my first big toddler coloring books, and you have to look at this number of BSR. This number is little number if the book is selling a lot. So if the book is, for instance, 228, means this book is selling really a lot. 1284, this book is selling really a lot. This book is selling. 40,000 is selling a lot. 3,000 is selling a lot. You consider that if a book is under 100,000, means that it's selling. So all these books are selling. All these books, 2,000, 8,000, 18,000, 11,000, 4,000, all these books are selling. So this is a very good niche because look at this, we are in the third lines and all these books are selling too. If you go under, this is fantastic because it's 130, it's really a lot of money earning each month for this book each day. And 9,000, this book is selling but not so much, 200 and 1,000. This book is selling a lot, 8,000. So what you are looking? You are looking to look if look at this book are selling, if the book in this niche are selling, and there is a lot of books here that sell a lot. So this is a very good niche. In fact, the score is really nice, 67. You can download other plugin in Chrome. I show you. You have to download the DS Amazon Quick View. It's a free plugin, and the plugin that make product details coming out, just going with the mouse on a cover. You can see all the what is inside, so that you don't have to open a book and look for details, but just going on you can have these details. For instance, this is independent publisher. It's 101 pages. You can have the dimension 8.5 11 inches. Bestseller, it's a very nice 3,892, so it's very nice. And you can have which in which they are comparing, in which categories, where it's comparing in children's painting book, children's reference book, and children's coloring book, in which there are 5, 26, and 100 positions. And this is very important because when you are publish your book, you have to write down the category. You have to choose the categories of Amazon in which you have to compare to be your book inside, so that you have to choose some category and you can have idea of a category. For instance, this one is children's trains book, children's coloring book. This one is another, and this is a part of a series. Look at this, part of series toddler's coloring. If you have a book that is selling very well, you can make a series. So for instance, this series is toddler coloring. Just click on and look at this. There are 5 books in this toddler's coloring. Toddler coloring, in which is toddler coloring book for kids, 100 big pages full, toddler animal, poi toddler vehicle, toddler Halloween, and Christmas toddler coloring book. So if your book is going nice, you can make other books of a series, because a customer maybe can come to buy other of your books. So you can have other idea just going around on Amazon, on the website. For instance, this one is another idea, toddler animal coloring book, toddler vehicle. You have always to look if, for instance, toddler is a trademark. You don't have to use trademarks. It's very important. So you have just to use 3 words. And you can have idea of the book just opening. For instance, open this one and look at this. Then I told you another important plugin free. For instance, you can have a look of with the plugin Titans. It's another plugin. You can have idea of what this book is selling. Look at this, the red line always coming up. So this book is selling always. And the blue one, the blue line, it's the BSR, the number of BSR. So this book was 8,050 in advance, and then it's coming and 200 position of BSR. So very nice. The price always the same, didn't change the price. And you can have a look of inside, just looking at video or a plus contact, if there is a plus contact. It is not this case. Very important, you can read the recensions, quindi read the reviews, and read important the reviews that are 1 stars, 2 stars, because if people don't like this book, you can discover what can do better to improve your personal book, to make a book better of this. Important, you don't have to copy a book, but you have to put something new in the book. Cioè, your own book, people have to say, I buy your book because it's different about this, like this. So you have to make your own idea and your own book. Other plugin I show you is this one, Keep Scout. It's free. If you press, you can have idea of Venice, is profitable or unprofitable. For instance, this one is unprofitable, but recharge moment this needs, because the number in Titans Quick View was not the same, and just waiting a moment because Titans Quick View came out and it's a nice score 0. First coloring book for toddlers. Change. First coloring book for toddlers without age. Loading. So you have to look for all possible needs, and all needs are coming out just looking in the bar of the Amazon. Look at this, all possible needs. One of these is a niche that people are looking for buy a book. So we have to investigate all this and look for niche that is not so big, in which people are selling. Then you can have idea with the Titans Quick View, and you can have idea with Keep Scout. So see you next video. Bye.